So beyond the birds, you can hear harp. And you can see the fog here in the trees. They're killing the trees with this fog. Take a look at this sky. Listen to harp. I don't know if they're going to have it rain or what they're going to have it do. I've been watching this fog and wondering if it's going to increase or what's going to happen. But you can see that it's all along the edges here of the woods, which are thick with fog. Why should it be foggy? Why? Because they're spraying it in. It's mercury. God knows what else is in it. Maybe aluminum. You can taste it if you're honest with yourself. You can see this. Many people are not honest with themselves because they want business as usual. But isn't that what Messiah said? In the last days, that would be like the days of Noah. People getting married and being given in marriage, which is tantamount to saying business as usual.